lines with use mirrors. And today I want to show you how to make a thermometer using a thermistor connected with my hybrid solar panel, whose I built 3 months ago.
This is a detailed diagram of the thermistor connection.
First you need a grounding station and also a connected thermistor with your Arduino. Now I start soldering. I take the soldering iron, take the solder. I connected these wires. I put these wires in Vaseline. I start connected these wires with this resistor. I'm connected. Wait a few seconds. I start connected with this resistor with red wires. I put these wires in the Vaseline again. Go here, resistor, and I start connected these wires with this. It's not simple. Now I start connected with another virus, this orange virus. I put this virus in the Vaseline and I start connected again. I'm done. Now I can see a really normal temperature, 27 degree, and here 26. Bye. With you as mirrors. See you later.